Opening scene. Futuristic visuals of flying cars and Hyperloop systems. Welcome to the Future Files, where we explore the exciting possibilities of transportation in the years to come. In this episode, we dive into the future of transportation, where flying cars, Hyperloop systems, and sustainable mobility solutions promise to revolutionize the way we travel. Join me as we embark on a journey into the world of futuristic transportation. Visuals showcasing flying cars, Hyperloop pods, and sustainable mobility concepts. The future of transportation holds incredible promise, with advancements in technology and innovation paving the way for new and efficient modes of travel. Let's explore these groundbreaking developments and their potential impact on our lives. Segment 1. Flying cars and personal air mobility. Imagine a world where flying cars are a common sight. Let's delve into the concept of personal air mobility and its potential to transform urban transportation. Visuals of flying car prototypes, skyports, and air traffic management systems. Flying cars, also known as vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) vehicles, offer a new dimension to transportation. We'll discuss the current progress, challenges, and possibilities of integrating flying cars into our cities, including the need for infrastructure such as skyports and innovative air traffic management systems. Segment 2. Hyperloop systems and high-speed travel. Hyperloop, the concept of high-speed transport in low-pressure tubes, has captured the imagination of many. Let's explore the potential of this technology and how it can revolutionize long-distance travel. Visuals of Hyperloop capsules, vacuum tubes, and proposed routes. Hyperloop systems, with their near-vacuum tubes and high-speed capsules, promise to drastically reduce travel times and increase efficiency. We'll discuss the current state of Hyperloop technology, proposed routes, and the challenges that need to be overcome for its widespread implementation. Segment 3. Sustainable mobility solutions. As we envision the future of transportation, sustainability is a key consideration. Let's explore the innovative solutions that aim to create a greener and more sustainable mobility ecosystem. Visuals of electric vehicles, renewable energy charging infrastructure, and shared mobility systems. Electric vehicles, renewable energy charging infrastructure, and shared mobility systems are paving the way for a sustainable transportation future. We'll discuss the benefits of these solutions in reducing emissions, improving air quality, and promoting efficient resource utilization. Segment 4. Integration of autonomous technology. Autonomous technology is transforming transportation as we know it. Let's delve into the potential of self-driving vehicles and their impact on safety, efficiency, and accessibility. Visuals of autonomous vehicles, smart intersections, and connected infrastructure. Self-driving vehicles equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence algorithms offer the promise of safer roads and increased efficiency. We'll explore the current advancements in autonomous technology, the challenges ahead, and the potential benefits for various sectors, including public transportation and logistics. Segment 5. Overcoming challenges and shaping the future. As we embrace the future of transportation, we must address various challenges and shape policies that align with the needs of our evolving society. Let's discuss the importance of collaboration, regulation, and public acceptance in realizing the full potential of futuristic transportation. Visuals representing policy discussions, public engagement, and collaboration. The successful implementation of futuristic transportation technologies requires collaboration among policymakers, industry leaders, and the public. We'll explore the crucial factors that contribute to a seamless transition towards a future where flying cars, Hyperloop systems, and sustainable mobility solutions become integral parts of our daily lives. And that concludes our exploration of the future of transportation. From flying cars and Hyperloop systems to sustainable mobility solutions, the possibilities are awe-inspiring. Join us next time on the Future Files as we continue to unlock the mysteries of tomorrow, exploring the cutting-edge technologies and visionary ideas that will shape the way we move in the years to come.